The Middle European winter tire segment is heating up with two strong contenders, the all-new Bridgestone Blizzak 6, launched in 2024, and the proven Dunlop Winter Sport 5, a press-test favorite. Which tire is the better choice for your winter driving needs? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Blizzak 6 continues Bridgestone's legacy of excellence. It stops for 0.5 meters shorter in wet braking compared to the Winter Sport 5 and handles with a speed advantage of 1.88 kilometers per hour. Even in aquaplaning resistance, the Blizzak maintains dominance, achieving 81 kilometers per hour, ahead of Dunlop's 77.5 kilometers per hour. Bridgestone's wet performance is truly unmatched. When it comes to snow, the Dunlop Winter Sport 5 shows its strengths. It stops slightly shorter, with 0.4 meters less in braking, and generates a 58 newtons higher traction force. Snow handling is similarly close, with the Dunlop edging ahead by just 0.4 kilometers per hour in average lap speed. Both tires excel in snow, but the Dunlop gains a slight upper hand. For mileage, the Winter Sport 5 delivers outstanding durability, lasting an impressive 4,390 kilometers longer than the Blizzak 6. If longevity is your priority, Dunlop's tire stands out. On dry roads, the Blizzak 6 reclaims the lead. It stops 1.9 meters shorter in dry braking and achieves 1.3 kilometers per hour faster handling speeds. These numbers reflect Bridgestone's focus on control and safety in all conditions. In noise, the differences are minimal, with the Blizzak 6 producing 0.2 decibels slightly less road noise compared to Dunlop. However, the Dunlop Winter Sport 5 shows its efficiency edge in rolling resistance, outperforming the Blizzak 6 by 12%, making it a more fuel-efficient option. In summary, the Bridgestone Blizzak 6 shines with its superior wet and dry performance, making it ideal for drivers prioritizing safety in varied conditions. On the other hand, the Dunlop Winter Sport 5 impresses with longer mileage, lower rolling resistance, and better snow performance, perfect for those seeking long-term value and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.